honestly, that's how I used to be too. Yes, human, I got to those. Especially now, Scrub-a-dub-bug, you're gonna have way more. You're gonna have way more cravings for this, especially now you have to be back on dialysis. That sucks. Thank you, Jimena. Yes, Jimena was the one. Since she commented, now I can say thank you. Thank you, Jimena, for sending. She had sent for 17 cans earlier. I love when it's like thick and chunky, and when it when the powder, like, if you know what I'm talking about, when the powder comes up in your face and like you can kind of taste it a little bit, not when it literally goes in your mouth, just when it's in the air and you're like, You know what I'm talking about? Yes. Planning January 8th. Okay, so I gotta refund Sammy because, so I did 2 cans instead of the whole 10. How much is that for? 16, refund 16, and then send my change. I gotta remember that. Someone who can make flyers. I think Sammy made flyers. Maybe I'm wrong. I've made all my own flyers with like Snapchat and what else? Snapchat, like Facebook. Believe it or not, like the collage. But Snapchat helps a lot. Canva, yeah. Thank you for helping, because I honestly be forgetting. What do I do? If I don't have like any porch pickups, I'll just dump it. Like the last time I had the porch pickup, Crystal, was when you came to pick up that pine from that pine combo that I did. Have you used it? Have you used that save? Girl, that was a while ago already. Y'all, if y'all new here, hit the follow. It was good, right? But I already told my chat, I'm like, I don't like save everything, but like I save sometimes. It's a lavender fab. Ah! This is splashed up. You are so funny. And thank you, Foca, for helping out. I'll send you my lives when I'm about to go on and all the things that I normally do with my other mods. Hey, I can say. But I know sometimes like I might go live like the same time that Hilda might get on, so I know that I don't expect you to be here or like the whole time either, because I know you might not have some my pop. Thank you so much. So we got 10 cans going in. Thank you, Daisy. Sister Hospital. I literally was about to say that. I'm like, I don't know if I want my coworkers. But to be honest, like the only person that looked at my stuff down there was my doctor. Which, well, my doctor was my coworker when I used to work at the OBGYN clinic. But still. But it's good because she's been staying active. So hopefully that her labor is gonna be fast because it's her first child. So, you know what I mean? So she been active, like she be walking around, she be up and down, doing stuff, so that's good. Me and Meg are gonna do a live on Friday. Just for a little bit, like we're gonna have to hang out by ourselves, but that's gonna be her face reveal. And you know, I'm there for it. You don't got elevator? Oh no. Oh no. I actually think I remember you saying that you lived high up. Because I remember, I think in the beginning of the year you had moved. No, this is gonna get dumped probably. Okay, chat, I'm about to get on. I'm tired. I've been, literally, I would've got on way sooner. Yeah, she has to bring up them like that. She has to bring them up the stairs. Oh. Okay, never mind, I'll speak for her. Well, tell Sammy next time because I'm tired now.